Fit Baby Bundle includes baby laundry detergent by Fit Organic is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper laundry detergent products. Fit Organic Baby Laundry Detergent. The manufacturer provide a unique approach to cleaning tough baby stains. Using organically certified ingredients, Fit Organic is able to power away tough stains and odors without leaving any residue behind. Not only is it safe for your baby's skin, but it's also free from any of the chemicals linked to skin sensitivities or irritations. Unlike other so-called natural brands, Fit Organic Baby Laundry contains no synthetic detergents and no artificial surfactants of any kind. Instead, the manufacturer make organic soaps the way it was done over 100 years ago. The manufacturer start with only certified organic plant-based oils, and mix them together with natural minerals to create the manufacturer's unique formula. Made with organic soap, no synthetics. Safe on sensitive skin even for baby clothes. Contains no SLS, sodium cocoa sulfate. Contains no synthetic detergents, polymers or brighteners. Used organic, not animal tested.